Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to see what is relationships and what is joins in Tableau desktop. So let's start. First I am connecting with the sample superstore in Tableau. Okay, and then I am going to data source sheet. So as you can see in the data source already Tableau by default make the relationships in this table. So I will remove these relationships first. Okay, so now as you can see we have a blank sheet here, there is no data, but when I have dragged these orders in this blank sheet, so this is our first, and when I drag people table into this sheet, so by default what Tableau does, by default Tableau make relationships between these two in region field with region field. So Tableau, what Tableau does here, Tableau make relationship between these two tables with these fields, region fields. So we have a region field here and we have a region field also in this table, orders table and people table, orders and people. So relationship is a RDBMS part basically. So there is a four types of relationships in Tableau: one to one, one to many, many to one, and many to many. So these are the four types of relationships in Tableau. So to make relationships in Tableau, as I have already show you, I will just show you again. First drag your table whatever you want to. This is our suppose first orders table, and suppose I want to join returns table with the orders table. So suppose I want to join people table with the orders table. So I will just make it, and when this sign will be shown, that relationship will be shown, you just leave it that table and your relationship automatically will be done there. So that's it about the relationship in Tableau. Now I will show you joins. So joins is also a very important parts in Tableau. So there is also four types of joins: left join, right join, inner join and full join. Okay, so I will show you. So suppose I have orders table and I want to join people's table with this order table. So to join this people's table with the order table, first you just need to double click on this order table. So I will double click on this order table. So it will open up the new window, the joins window. So then I will drag my people table here. So as you can see by default Tableau make inner join with these two tables. Okay, so already here inner join is happened. So if you want to change this join in Tableau, so just click on this join. I will show you once. Just click on these joins, and here is a variety of options, like four options you have: left join, right join, full join. And I hope you know detail about this join. If you are not, so just first study deeply what are the joins and what joins does. So it will helpful to you. And suppose if you select left join, so it will show you all left data from the orders table. If you select right join, so it will show you all the data from people's table, right people's table, and matching records from left table. And in full join, it will take all the records from the both tables. So that's it from the joins also. I hope you like it and you understand what are the difference between joins and relationships. So that's it for the video. Thank you. If you like, so please do like and subscribe for the video. So thank you.